Funding sources for an organisation profile. So knowing the funding sources can assist with determining credibility, transparency, and also the organisation's agenda. Here's a few examples. So you provide a brief example of what the funding source is, and also any links to further information. So for investment leaders group here, there is mostly paid membership, and this person has also listed some of the big paid members, which is great because it gives us an idea that these are investment banks and what have you. This is the Clean Air Task Force. These are primarily funded by donations, so we'd write that one here. We've got the company website has a link for donors, and this person has put in the donate link, which is fine. And also that Charity Navigator, which is a separate website, has a link to receive donations for Clean Air Task Force, and also provides a link to find out more for that one too. And this provides further information such as revenues and expenses. So that's a great link to have in there. A third example is from PACS, and their funding sources are mostly grants from Ministry of Foreign Affairs Strategic Partnership Dialogue and Dissent, which is 68% of funding in 2018. This is great, important, straight to the point. It also has other institutional funding, including lottery organisations and income from individuals and companies, which make up the remaining. Now, just one thing is that you'll see on this one that we've used Find Out More, and there'll be a link to get to Charity Navigator there. And that's actually what we want. So in Investment Leaders Group, we don't want these long URLs. And the reason for that is I'll show you as it looks like on the final web page. So under funding sources, you can see that we've got this great link. And so we're removing that now. And I'll show you how to do that. So we will just write something like Find Out More. I'm just going to copy this link here. Then you highlight Find Out More and hit this Insert Edit Link button here and paste the URL. And that's it. So now we've got a link here. So I'll remove this URL here. Okay, then I'm going to hit Save. So that will save the changes that we've just made. And now we can have a look at that one. Going down to funding sources, you'll now see Find Out More. It's a lot neater and will look great on the finished website. So if no list can be found on the organisation's website for funding information, then just type in funding source unknown. But you should be able to find something with some research, but we can always help you with that one. You might need to look into the annual report. If there's specific funders mentioned, then do name them. Try and go in order of size and include the 5 largest if you can, because these funders will be the most influential on the organisation.